children are in the class?
How many children?
20 girls and 30.
20 girls? 19 girls and 17 boys. Yeah, almost.
19 girls.
Have you got an interactive whiteboard?
Yes, we have got an interactive whiteboard. We have one in every class.
Okay. Every class in this school has an interactive whiteboard. Okay? So like this, except you can touch it with pens and... Okay? Like that. That's their interactive whiteboard.
Oh!
Do you like your uniform? And blue's not my favourite colour, so we'd like to throw out blue.
They said it's okay,
Close.
but it's blue. And blue's not their favourite colour.
Oh,
So they prefer to wear their own clothes like this.
yeah. And they prefer it.